Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you YouTube app something went wrong fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue that you are having, first move that you can use is check your internet connection. Scroll down your control center and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you can also turn on the airplane mode as well on the top and wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. And you can also avoid weak public Wi-Fi as well. Then next is to simply head over to the App Store. Then on the search bar type in YouTrip. Then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't work, then simply head over back to your home screen, then open up settings. Now once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, what you need to do is tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do here is scroll all the way down until you find your YouTube application and then simply tap on it. Now inside you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is to reset the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once the process is complete, you'll find an option that says install app or reinstall app. Simply select that and the app will be reinstalled and you can try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.